Oh, this is Miss Pinky, African Psychic Line. How can I help you? Yes, darling. State your name. Miss Melody. What is this, Amigara? I beg you. What is this? I'm cracking up here. Miss Melody. Okay, I have pulled the first card. I am going to be very open and frank with you. Okay? Yes. I am the best psychic. In Florida. Yes. Now, the first card that I have drawn for you is showing me that there is something around you that is dead and motionless. It has no life in it no more. And that is, can I be blunt with you? That is your husband's cocky. No use. However, the second card is showing me that you is a big stinking dirty whore. You go mess with one of these entertainers from Hollywood. The name is coming. And matter of fact, he has a STD. His name is Usher. You dirty son of a bitch. Now the last card is also showing me that you can just stop there in the middle. You are now find yourself a married man. Just a bit. But you are trifling. And this married man, his name is, it is coming. John. To be more specific, John Long Silver. Lord Jesus Christ. John, after my husband named that. What happened? Let me ask you some questions. What is 14 inches long? And when it gets over, it go to the side, and then go to the other side, and then bounce up